We have R. So this R is the same thing as L. So we want to get this angle subtended at the center of the circle. So now, let us write out the formula for length of an arc. So that is theta over 360 times the circumference of the circle, that is pi r. Okay, so now we have that the radius is also the same thing as what? As the length of arc. So that means we can write L equals to theta over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times L. Do you understand that? R is the same thing as L. So you can see what is changing now. So I'm changing this R to L. Okay, now let's try and simplify this right hand side. So now 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here is 180. 2 goes in 180 is 90. 2 goes here is 11. Can you see that? All right. So now let us now see what we have here. We have 11 L, which is the length of the arc, equals to 11 theta L over 90 times 7. Can you see that? So let us cross multiply. So we have 11 theta L equals to L times 90 times 7. Okay, so now what do we have next? So we have theta, because we're actually looking for theta. Theta equals to L times 90 times 7 all over 11 L. Okay. Do you get that now? So now this we can, so we have theta equals to over 11, and that is 9 times 7, that is 63 over 11. So what do we have when we divide that? Okay, so let's see, what do we have when you divide that? So that is going to give you 630 over 11.